Come with me to Nickelodeon Universe and Rainforest Cafe.
I just got to the Mall of America. Look at this huge lip. Look at this huge Yoshi. I want it so bad. This is so nice and relaxing. I'm drenched now. Swiper, no swiping.
Today we're at the Mall of America.
Asked if I was recording and wanted to say hi. It's the food court. Thing is so cool. It keeps like changing colors and skies and stuff. These come in these cute little cups. Stop. Really nice and crispy. Fries are pretty good. I wish they were a little bit more crispy, but they're still really good. It's pretty good though. We just finished eating. Cold Stones, like here. They have their oatmeal cookie batter flavor right now, and that is my favorite. I haven't had it in years. I'm so excited. Those green marbles are so mesmerizing. Oh my god, it's flying. I love feeling like a little kid again. I think I'm gonna do one last ride before I call it a night. The second where you just like stop before it like completely comes crashing down. It feels so weightless, and when your stomach drops, having so much fun. I think it's time to go home. Thanks for joining me, guys. Mwah.